Construction finance. Um, Again, with construction finance, you don't really need to do anything because all these values and everything else will get populated automatically when you update your feasibility, and you go into your add-ons and select update values. And we'll do that in a second. However, I just wanted to run you over that there is actually nothing for you to select or do over here, so long as you've made your assumptions over here in your construction loan. So in this section, which is your budget, you've got your total development costs, which will automatically get picked up from here. And once they are applicable, once they have been populated, that's when you can actually come in, change the values, and then update the sheet once again. But I'll show you the updated version. So this is the Australian version that's updated. So automatically these values get updated. It shows you your developer equity balance, your developer's equity contribution, what you're going to make based on your assumptions at the interest rate, at the amount, and your construction loan setup fees, again, whether or not they have GST in them or not. And so whatever date your construction will actually start, that's when the first period they'll automatically get allocated in your cash flow. And you will see in this section that you don't even have to come in and select this, because it is automatically picked up from your construction start and end dates. So based on that, you've got your construction loan balance that keeps going and keeps getting debited as the project goes along. And also, so whatever the construction limit was approved, that keeps going until your money is actually being used first. So it's always developer's equity first, loan second. So it'll automatically keep using your equity first until it is time for the construction loan to actually kick in. So you've got this is your loan draw. This is when the bank construction loan draw actually starts. Then you've got your construction interest costs, and then your line fees or whatever. This is based on the drawn down amount, whatever the balance is left on the amount that's already been drawn down. That's on that. That is your setup cost. So that's how the construction finance is actually set up. And once we cover the section below, we will update this so that you can see that what it looks like in real time. So you've got these two sections here that you don't really have to worry about. Even if you expand them and see what's in there, they automatically pick up the dates for construction. Whatever dates you had selected, they automatically get picked up. But that's the reason we asked you to actually collapse this just after you were done allocating your construction costs, because there is nothing for you to actually select in here manually. Everything is controlled from your dashboard.